Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Simplified. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to unhide locked posts on OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, you can see there's login options. Go ahead, select one login option and log into your OnlyFans account. Once you've logged in, at the bottom you're going to find 5 options: home, notification, new post, chat, and your profile. You have to stay on home. Then on the top right corner you're going to find 2 icons there: search and 3-dot menu. Now to unhide locked posts, all you have to do is tap on the 3-dot menu from the top right corner. Then 3 options will appear on your screen. Select the first option that says show all locked posts. Tap on it. And there you go. And guys, that's it. That's how you unhide locked posts on OnlyFans. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.